How to clear voice scan history on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your voice scan history easily and fast. First thing you have to do is simple, go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your profile. Now go to the top corner again and click on the settings wheel like this. Now scroll down until you find clear voice scan history. As you can see right here, I just found it. Now click on it like this and click clear. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.